Hello guys, sorry. In this tutorial I will show you how you can create a simple image slider in Angular, and this image slider is also responsive, and I'm using Angular latest 17. So uh, the idea is to create how you can create a basic slider, and that should be responsive. If you can see this slider, it's responsive. If I resize my screen, you can see it's resizing based on the browser or screen size, and also the cards are responsive. So you can see that cards are also responsive, and I'm using Angular material for toolbar and Angular material cards here. So here, if you see, I have a home component HTML. That's my toolbar, and then I have the slider here. I created the div class slider, and then the slides. I'm loading the images locally. Later, once you set up the actual app, you need to locate it to your images folder, like if it's from Azure storage or somewhere else that you link your images. And then these are my Angular materials. So the idea is how we can create the slider and just focusing on that. So this is the code for the slider HTML part. Okay. And then on the home component .ts, I'm loading some of the Angular materials which are needed, and then I am using the standalone component. It works with the older versions also. And then I have created these variables. And I'm calling on ng-init. I'm setting the slides. This is the start slider. I'm also setting a timeout here for the slides. This is the stop slider, which clears the interval. And then in the start slider, I'm calling the show slide, which is this method. So that's it. And then I have the CSS files here. You can see my CSS file. Okay, yeah, that's how you can create the slider in Angular. Hope you learned something and how you can create the image slider in Angular 17. Thank you.